Hello, this is the example of a Creo 7 sheet metal box. That's what we're gonna build on this tutorial. And so it's a simple square box with the flanges on the top and the bottom, plus the one overlapped flanges inside to connect both sides. So that's the box we're gonna build here. So to start over, we click on New, we select Part, Sheet Metal, we can assign the name, and click OK. Here we select which units we're gonna go with. We're gonna select inches over here. You can select millimeters. Click OK. It brings us the new window. Turn on our datums and start with a simple sketch. Select this top plane, click sketch, select rectangular, we select the one which build from the center, middle click, set the size, let's say 27 inches by double click, 1725, enter. Zoom it in. Okay, here we want to divide this side, so we click divide, click in 2 points, and I click here and delete this middle segment, model it, dimension it to 9.5, and I want this gap, this is dimension should be locked. So once it turns black, it's locked. It's not modifiable unless you type it in. Here we add the gap. This dimension is over dimensioned now, so we have the option to delete this, or just simply make it as a reference dimension. Then modify this, let's say a quarter of an inch gap. Okay, the sketch is done. We exit the sketch mode, click OK, and then we click extrude flange. Since our sketch was selected, it extrudes that right away. We want to go both sides and set it to 10 inches. Okay. Here's the thickness of material. I want to go to 94. We're done with the box. Now we add the flange over here. Click the outer edge. It builds the flange for us automatically. We said that it extends 1 inch. And now we hold Shift key on our keyboard and hover our mouse over the outer edge. Click Shift, and it pre-selects us the all-around edge. Click it, and everything is built over here. Okay, we can change the gap over here, change it to thickness, or half of thickness, or just get rid of this. We can, if we plan to weld this later on, we can add this round corner. Of course, it's not possible if it's just gonna be a simple bent metal, sheet metal part. So we keep it open and we exit the command of the flange. We can turn off our datums. We can repeat the same flange command. Click one flange, set 1 inch extension, hold shift button on the keyboard and select the outer edge. Click OK. Now we build another flange over here to connect both sides. We click internal, not external. If it's external, it goes the other direction. Internal, it goes opposite direction. We change it here from the flat to joggle. See, if we click external, it goes external overlap. Internal, it's internal. We can cut this a little bit, shift these yellow buttons. We can change over here how sharp it is. Basically, it's done. Get out the command. Now our box is built. That concludes this tutorial.